In this video, I'll show you how to swap tokens on MetaMask wallet. Swapping tokens in MetaMask means exchanging one crypto token for another directly inside your wallet. For example, you can swap ETH for USDT, BNB for another token on BNB Smart Chain, or Matic for a token on Polygon, depending on the network you are using. First, open your MetaMask wallet and unlock it with your password. Then check the network at the top of the wallet. This step is important because you can only swap tokens that are available on the network you selected. For example, if your tokens are on Ethereum, use Ethereum mainnet. If your tokens are on BNB, Smart Chain, or Polygon, switch to that network first. Next, make sure you have enough of the network's native token to pay the gas fee. On Ethereum, you need ETH. On BNB Smart Chain, you need BNB. On Polygon, you need POL or Matic, depending on the network settings shown in your wallet. Without enough gas, the swap will not go through. Now, from the MetaMask home screen, click or tap Swap. In the first field, choose the token you want to swap from. Then enter the amount you want to exchange. In the second field, choose the token you want to receive. MetaMask will search for available swap quotes from supported liquidity sources. After a few seconds, you should see an estimated amount you will receive along with the network fee and any swap-related fee. Review this information carefully before continuing. Pay attention to price impact and slippage. Slippage means the final amount may change slightly between the time you submit the swap and when the transaction is confirmed. For popular tokens, slippage is usually small. For low liquidity tokens, the price can move more, so be extra careful. Before confirming the swap, double-check the token names, token symbols, network, amount, and fees. Some scam tokens may use similar names to popular coins, so always make sure you are selecting the correct token. When everything looks right, click or tap swap or confirm swap. MetaMask will then show a transaction confirmation screen. Review the gas fee one more time, then confirm the transaction. After confirmation, wait for the blockchain to process the swap. This can take a few seconds or several minutes, depending on the network. Once the transaction is complete, the new token should appear in your wallet. If you do not see the token, you may need to import it manually. Click Import Tokens, search for the token, or paste the official contract address for that network. That's how to swap tokens on MetaMask wallet safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.